welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new here. It is dakota.tara and I am back again with another video. So today is a little bit of a different video. I've been asked so many times on Instagram, YouTube, even in person to do a curly hair routine. So today I'm going to be finally doing curly hair routine. I cannot wait. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products I use and the steps, and I'm going to be filming the process. I'll be showing you how I achieve these curls. So yeah, if you would like to see how I achieve these curls, then keep on watching.
In the shower, I already washed my hair through with the Carol's Daughter hair cleansing milk. I prefer this instead of a harsh shampoo. Okay, so after I've washed my hair, I'm going to spray my hair again with this mist spray bottle and really get in there so that it's easier for the products to absorb. Next, I have the Cantu Coconut Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to coat my hair all over with this. I'm running out. I love the scent of the Cantu products so much. It truly has your hair smelling amazing for such a long period of time. But yeah, I'm going in with that and making sure I get every area covered. After that, I'm going to use the Cantu Curl Activating Cream. I find personally this really helps define my curls. I've noticed a huge difference when I use it opposed to when I don't. I definitely get more controlled curls with this one. So in goes the Miss Jessies Pillow Soft Curls. This helps my curls to have more volume and become bouncy. This is what makes my curls go from little to big once dried. I put this stuff everywhere. Next, to top up this hair smoothie, I've got Blueberry Bliss Gel. Oh my, does this smell delicious. I normally focus this on my most troubled areas that aren't as defined, and I've noticed it helps reduce the frizz. So big, now I know where to call you daddy. Oh, so sick, gotta hit and pick up a habit. Okay, so now I've got my wide tooth comb. I'm going to start combing through my hair from bottom to top. I don't start from top down because I've noticed it damages and rips my hair, and I feel like I get hair loss that way. Once my hair is detangled, I can then comb top to bottom as it glides all the products through. Now my favorite part of the routine is the Denman Brush. The way the bristles of this brush is structured really does work wonders. This is what really helps my hair develop the controlled curls. I feel like it's made a major difference having this in the routine. I take this brush and make sure I get to every section of my hair to prevent unwanted frizz, while also trying to make sure every spot gets the curl I want to achieve. Just continuing to scrunch my hair to help the curls develop. And now all finished, I let my hair either air dry or I use a diffuser, but today I've decided to let it air dry just for preference.
Okay, so that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to also be doing, every time I change products or anything like that, I'm going to do like an updated curly hair routine. If you guys want to see my quick wash and go routine, then just comment down below. And if you have any other video suggestions, also make a comment down below. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video very soon.